Welcome all. In this video, we are going to solve sums of exercise 3.4 of chapter 3 trigonometric functions of class 11th. We will start from question number 5. So let us start. Find the general solution for each of the following equations. Question number 5 में हमें इक्वेशन दी हुई है cos 4x equal to cos 2x. So how we will solve this? First take this cos 2x to left hand side. So it becomes cos 4x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Now we apply the formula cos A minus cos B. That is equal to minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. So in place of A we put 4x and in place of B we put 2x. So cos 4x minus cos 2x becomes minus 2 sin a plus b के प्लेस पे आ जाएगा 4x plus 2x upon 2 sin a minus b के प्लेस पे 4x minus 2x upon 2. Now on solving we get cos 4x minus cos 2x equal to minus 2 sin 6x upon 2 which is 3x into sin 4x minus 2x that is 2x upon 2 that is sin x. So we get minus 2 sin 3x into sin x. So putting this value in equation first, we get minus 2 sin 3x sin x equal to 0. So from here we get two equations. Now minus 2 cannot be 0. So either sin 3x equal to 0 or sin x equal to 0. Now we know if sin x is 0, then what is the value of x? It is equal to n pi, where n is an integer. In the same way, if sin 3x is 0, what is the value of 3x? It should be n pi, where n is an integer. And 3x is equal to n pi implies x equal to n pi upon 3. 3 डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. So x की वैल्यू आ गई n pi by 3 or x equal to n pi, which is the general solution for this equation where n is an integer. So this is question number 5. Now see the question number 6. Now here the equation is cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Now here three functions are given. Again we will use the formula cos A plus cos B equal to, now here we will apply the formula on first two functions, that is cos 3x and cos x. So they are in addition, वो plus में है तो we will use the formula for cos A plus cos B. So that is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. You have to remember these formulas because without these you cannot solve this question. Now cos A plus cos B, applying this formula on cos 3x plus cos x, that is putting A equal to 3x and B equal to x. What we get? 2 cos A की जगह पे 3x और B की जगह पे x. तो 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 into में cos 3x minus x by 2 और minus में है cos 2x equal to 0. Now solving it we get 2 cos 3x plus x 4x upon 2, तो ये हो गया cos 2x. So 2 cos 2x into cos 3x minus x by 2 will be 2x by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel, so it becomes cos x. So 2 cos 2x into cos x minus cos 2x equal to 0. We will get this equation. Now cos 2x is common, cos 2x दोनों में common है, तो अंदर क्या रह गया? पहली टर्म में से 2 cos x minus दूसरी टर्म में से 1. So we get cos 2x bracket 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Now there are two factors, so either cos 2x equal to 0 or the other factor 2 cos x minus 1 or that is equal to 0. From first factor, that is cos 2x, from first equation cos 2x equal to 0, we get 2x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, because we know that if cos x equal to 0, then x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Here in place of x we have 2x, so 2x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So taking x to right hand side, 2 को हम right hand side में ले जाते हैं, तो x की वैल्यू आ गई 2n plus 1 pi by 4, where n is an integer. So one general solution, we get this as x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4. Now for other solution, see other equation, 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Now taking 1 to right hand side, 2 cos x equal to 1 हो गया. Cos x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई 1 by 2, taking 2 to other side. Now 1 by 2 is cos pi by 3, so we can write cos x equal to cos pi by 3. Now we know the result from theorem 2 that for any real numbers x and y, if cos x equal to cos y, then x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y. Now in place of y here it is pi by 3. So x की value क्या आ जाएगी 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. So we get these general solution as x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4 or x equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n is an integer. This is the 6th question. Now look at the 7th one. Sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0. Now here we will use the formula sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. You have to memorize all the formulas of trigonometric functions, because without them you can't solve these questions. So sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. So putting the value, we get the equation as 2 sin x cos x plus cos x equal to 0. Now we can see that cos x is common in both the terms. So we take it out and we get cos x bracket 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Now there are two factors. So either cos x equal to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Now from cos x equal to 0, we get x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n is an integer. This is our general solution in case cos x equal to 0. Now from second equation, 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0 implies 2 sin x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 को हम right hand side में ले गए. Now again 2 multiplication में है, right hand side में जाके divide हो जाएगा, तो sin x equal to minus 1 by 2, division में आ जाएगा 2. Now sin x equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 is minus sin pi by 6, that is minus sin 30 degree. We will write it as pi by 6. Now minus sin pi by 6 is equal to sin pi plus pi by 6, because we know sin pi plus theta equal to minus sin theta होता है. So applying that formula, minus sin pi by 6 की value को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, sin pi plus pi by 6. Adding pi and pi by 6, we get sin 7 pi by 6. So equation becomes sin x equal to sin 7 pi by 6. Now again we will apply here theorem 1, which says for any real number x and y, sin x equal to sin y implies x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y. So in place of y we have 7 pi by 6. So x की value क्या आ जाएगी, n pi plus minus 1 की power n into 7 pi by 6. In these sums you have to memorize the results of theorem 1, 2 and 3 of this chapter. Now we get two general solution. First is x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, and second is x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n 7 pi by 6. So now the next question, 8th question says, we are given the equation secant square 2x equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Now here we will change secant square into tan square by applying the formula secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. we know this equation, secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. So in place of x, here we are given 2x. So secant square 2x becomes 1 plus tan square 2x. That is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. तो 1 से 1 cancel हो जाएगा and this tan 2x bring it to left hand side. So it becomes tan square 2x plus tan 2x equal to 0. Now tan 2x is common, so take it out and we get tan 2x bracket tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now there are two factors. Putting both equal to 0, we get either tan 2x equal to 0 or tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now if tan 2x equal to 0, this implies 2x equal to n pi plus 0, where n belongs to set of integer. Because by theorem 3 we know if tan x equal to tan y, then x is equal to n pi plus y. Here tan 2x equal to 0, which is tan of 0. तो tan 2x equal to tan of 0. वहां से हमारे पास सोल्यूशन क्या आएगा, 2x equal to n pi plus 0. So taking 2 to right hand side, x equal to आ गया n pi by 2, where n is an integer. Now from second equation, tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0 implies taking 1 to right hand side, tan 2x equal to minus 1. Now minus 1 is equal to minus, we can write it as minus tan pi by 4. और minus tan pi by 4 किसके equal होता है, tan pi minus pi by 4. Because we know tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So tan pi minus pi by 4 is equal to tan 3 pi by 4. So equation becomes tan 2x equal to tan 3 pi by 4. Again applying theorem 3, that is if tan x equal to tan y, then x equal to n pi plus y, we get 2x equal to n pi plus 3 pi by 4. So where n is an integer. So x is equal to, taking 2 to right hand side, x will be equal to n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8, where n is an integer. So there here the general solution is x equal to n pi by 2 or x equal to n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8, where n is an integer. Now look at the ninth question. Here we are given the equation sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x equal to 0. We are given three functions. Now we take sin x and sin 5x together. So we put them in bracket plus sin 3x equal to 0. Now we will apply the formula sin a plus sin b on sin x plus sin 5x. Sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Here we will use this formula. So a equal to, we will put a equal to x and b equal to 5x. So what we get? Sin x plus sin 5x is equal to 2 sin x plus 5x by 2 cos x minus 5x by 2 and plus sin 3x equal to 0. Now solving it, we get 2 sin x plus 5x is 6x and upon 2, so it becomes 3x. Cos x minus 5x by 2 will be minus 4x by 2, यानी कि minus 2x. Plus sin 3x equal to 0. Now here cos minus 2x, we know cos is an even function. So cos minus 2x is again equal to cos 2x. So our equation becomes 2 sin 3x cos 2x plus sin 3x equal to 0. Now we can see sin 3x is common in both the terms. So we take sin 3x common and we get sin 3x bracket 2 cos 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we equate both the factors equal to 0, that is either sin 3x equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now from sin 3x equal to 0 we get 3x equal to n pi, where n is an integer. So x is equal to, take 3 to right hand side, so it becomes n pi by 3. where n is an integer. And from second equation, if 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then taking 1 to right hand side, 2 cos 2x becomes minus 1 and cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now minus 1 by 2 can be written as minus cos pi by 3, that is minus cos 60 degree. Now minus cos pi by 3 can be written as cos pi minus pi by 3, because we know cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Now this implies cos 2x is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3, that is cos 2 pi by 3. Now again applying theorem 2, which says if cos x is equal to cos y, then x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y. So in place of y we have 2 pi by 3 and in place of x we have 2x. So 2x becomes 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3, where n is an integer. So from here we get x equal to, taking 2 common both sides and cancelling, x becomes n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n is an integer. So here the general solution is given by x equal to n pi by 3 or x equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. So this completes question number 9, and with this exercise 3.4 is also completed. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.